स्पोर्ट्स से जुड़ी किसी भी अपडेट के लिए स्पोर्ट्स तक को सब्सक्राइब करें और हमारे फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम पेज को भी जरूर फॉलो करें।
The buzz at the Delhi airport was missing, and considering the times we are living in, it was expected. The Indian women's tennis team of Sania Mirza and Ankita Raina was also headed to Tokyo to join the rest of the contingent at the Olympic Village, which is also under a cloud of fresh COVID cases now. For journalists who were flying out from different parts of the world, there was a fear of the unknown, having already gone through hundreds of pages of documentation. Armed with a couple of apps that failed to launch multiple times, it was a big struggle. The journey finally began at 6 in the evening, and we jumped 3.5 hours ahead of Indian time when the aircraft had a rough touchdown at the Tokyo International Airport. Perhaps it was a sign of things to come.
While the airport wore a deserted look, the volunteers were spread all across trying to help foreign nationals from various compliances and regulations laid down by the government and the organizing committee. It turned out to be a massive time-consuming exercise.
There were hardly any passengers in the aircraft, and the airport also presented a similar look. Volunteers tried their best to ensure that everyone had OCHA, the health monitoring app, on their smartphones. As it turned out, everyone had it, but it was hardly working to its full potential. Gradually, as one moved ahead from one section of volunteers to the other, the volume of papers that one was holding kept on increasing. A couple of hours after going through the so-called routine processes, we reached the COVID testing area. And in an Atmanirbhar kind of a way, one had to spit into a plastic tube before submitting the sample. Then the wait for the report began. It took them 45 to 50 minutes, and when the results finally arrived, there was a sense of relief. But all this while, the lull around was hard to avoid. After all, the Olympics were just 2 sleeps away. There were still a couple of formalities to go through, but in 3.5 hours, all was done. Some say we were lucky because there were other foreign nationals who took 4 to 6 hours to get through that tedious process.
I had the 4 hours in the formularies and transit and the test COVID. It's very tired, but the Olympic Games is the people.
So how much time did it take for you to get this paperwork done?
The airport, the 4 hours.
Amid protest and fear of COVID, the Japanese government and the IOC are fighting a tough battle, and a safe Olympics will be nothing less than gold. But for now, the buzz surely is missing.
The Olympics are a celebration of sports with festivities all around. But this time, the emotions are running a little dry in this host city because of the impact that this pandemic has had in the lives of everyone. But the show must and will go on. With video journalist Shiv Prashant, this is Rahul Rawat in Tokyo for India Today.
स्पोर्ट्स से जुड़ी किसी भी अपडेट के लिए स्पोर्ट्स तक को सब्सक्राइब करें और हमारे फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम पेज को भी जरूर फॉलो करें।